Good evening, Clean My Space Nation. It's 11:55 p.m., and that means it's the start of the night shift here at the CMS HQ. We need to clean up a little this evening, so I thought I would film a Clean With Me video. However, our music selection is going to be slightly different this time around. It's nature sounds, like crickets chirping, water flowing, and wind blowing. The kind of stuff that will hopefully send Riley to Snoozeville. We keep a diaper station in this room with all the stuff that you need to change a diaper, including a change pad and diapers and butt cream, and that's been really handy for emergency diaper situations. The secret to keeping this room clean is really just making sure that everything goes back into its place and that things are generally straightened. A room that is clutter-free just looks more inviting, and personally, I find it much more calm in a room where there's less stuff. So let's dim the lights in here and move over to Melissa's office. Melissa has some paperwork on her desk which needs to be filed and put away, and there's just a few items which need to go to different rooms of the house or be put away in drawers. Because Melissa also does her makeup in this room, I've decided to use an all-purpose spray and wipe down her desktop. And of course, I'm using a Maker's microfiber cloth. The last thing that needs to be cleaned up here in the upstairs is this ghetto DIY diaper genie that I made. So that's it for up here, and it looks like baby is finally asleep. Not much going on downstairs. There are a few jobs that need to be done. I need to empty the garbage cans, and I most definitely need to change out the cat litter boxes. I also need to straighten up the dining room and open up a few packages. Many people ask what kitty litter we use, and we use the Crystal kitty litter. I find it does the best job for containing urine smells, and the cats seem to like it. And the litter boxes are from Nature's Miracle, and they're biodegradable. Here on this side table, we have more papers to put away. It's mostly just mail that needs to be opened and then filed and then sorted. Next, let's tackle the dining room and open up these packages. And finally, the kitchen. Here's another area of the CMS HQ which is getting really, really messy really quickly these days now that baby has arrived. All right, let's get back to it and finish up the job here in the kitchen. We're gonna load up the dishwasher and then we're gonna rinse some bottles and run them through the sanitizer for baby tomorrow. And we're gonna get these counters cleaned up. We're going to use an all-purpose spray again. And again, a Maker's microfiber cloth available at makersclean.com, shameless plug, so we can start the day tomorrow with a clean kitchen. And just like that, we're done. We have a nice tidy kitchen. The dining room looks good. Molly and Paisley are full of treats and ready for bed. And upstairs, we have a little tiny sleeping baby, which means I can finally sit back and enjoy some of the fruits of my labor. Or not. We love making these Clean With Me videos because we know how motivating they are to watch and maybe also fun to watch. Let me know in the comments down below if you right now are watching cleaning videos when you should be cleaning yourself. Confession time, Clean My Space Nation. Be sure to subscribe to catch more cool cleaning videos, and as always, thanks for watching.